another video with my friends again, and there's the dead carcass again. Oh yeah. I'm sorry if I sound weird and all, because right now I'm so happy I'm outside and all, because I did not been outside for a very long time, since I was 10, because I got the new game. Well, it's not that new, but it's new to me, called Ghost, and I've been playing it all a year and all that stuff, and it's fun. Ow!
We should start heading home.
Yeah, we should be heading home now.
Yeah, let's go home.
I'm being a wussy.
Chris. No, Chris. We weren't being a wussy.
We don't.
Came all the way back here. I've been back here before you came.
I went through there. I went through there before, and I'm not supposed to be.
Austin, that's how I should see. Can I film See, I went down there for a couple minutes.
Come on, guys, before we get caught. This is fun. Well, it would be much more funner if my, was here. Be way more funner. Ow. Yeah, this was fun. It wasn't that fun, but it used to be really fun when the weeds was here and all that stuff, like tall grass, so where we can hide and stuff. So yeah, here's all the dirt. Ow! Ah! Freaking thorns! What? Where?
Whoa, a tree house right there.
We need lots of wood. Free roam. I could ride my horse through here.
Yeah, but then your horse would get stuck and break its neck.
Oh, break its neck. Oh, really? You don't know nothing about horses, don't you?
I know about horses.
Sure. I study about horses.
Horse movies.
I freaking study horses. And I have horse collection stuff. What's this? That looks like an American flag, but...
Hey, let's go on the big hill way back.
Oh.
No, let's not go. Yeah, let's go. Let's go this way.
Ow! Fudge. Oh my god. Ow! Trying so hard to not say any cuss words right now. That hurt. What's this?
Hey, there's nothing for a tree.
What?
There's nothing for a tree.
What
Hey,
tree?
there's a doll.
Yeah, I'm kicking it.
Hey, there's a doll. Yeah, it's your doll. Hi, doll. Oh my God.
Ow! Oh, this is hard. Ow. Look at all that. I'm on top of a mountain right now. Well, not really a mountain, like a dirt pile. Yeah. Look at all this damage they did to the woods. See, this is what grass I was talking about, where you can hide in. It was so pretty and all that stuff. I wish I took a picture of it, but nope. People just had to take it down. That's the house they built, and I guess they're gonna make more houses and stuff for this place.
Help me up.
What are you going to do with this open space?
They're gonna build more houses and factories. That's what they're gonna do.
Yeah. There's football back down there.
Yeah.
A mini one.
Nah, I'm not gonna play with it.
I wouldn't.
Eh. The beautiful grass.
My
Ah.
husband made a playground back here. Would that be cool?
I'll still be
No,
mad
that'd be
because,
wrong
oh my
because
god,
it's
what is
cold.
this? I'll still be sad because the people freaking tore down the beautiful woods.
No. It was beautiful in the snow.
I know, right? It was so beautiful in the snow.
There. they should be ashamed. Hey, look, I see a factory back there. I think that's a drug factory.
And they're gonna build more factories, I
Drug
guess.
factory! Chris, I see the drug factory! Back there!
Calm down. Don't yell, because the camera is like, oh. Gosh.
Do you?
Yeah, I see the factory. There's another factory over there.
Do you see a street?
Hey, are you videotaping this?
Yeah.
Wait, I see the Walmart street, guys.
I'm vlogging right now, I guess.
I just saw a big thing walking towards that. I just saw like a bird or something.
Whoa! Chris, come up here. You see cars going by.
Yeah, you can see the cars. You can see cars going by.
Yeah, it's
This
still a
is
factory.
incredible. You see that lighthouse back there? You can see cars.
It's so incredible.
I'm going down there.
Oh my gosh, I just now noticed that. They took that down.
What? That tree?
Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna go now.
I'm getting down.
Ow! Fudge. Oh
Are you okay?
my god.
So how many cats do you have in your house now?
Only one. Cece, I guess she died. I know, Cece was my baby girl, and then I hope she's not dead or anything. I hope someone took her in and helped her and all that stuff. And Jack, he's an outside cat now. Oh man, my shoes are getting dirty, but I don't really care. And jump.
Well, that was a fun adventure.
I know, right?
Hey, that's okay.
Nope, I'm not gonna talk to that guy. No, thank you. Well, this side of the forest is still good. Well, no, woods, not forest. Sorry, I keep calling it forest. I'm not gonna get in trouble. Bye. See you guys in a bit, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. And see you guys in a bit. Bye.